Bollywood actress Shraddha Kapoor was recently spotted on a cozy date night with her rumored boyfriend, Rahul Modi. The couple enjoyed a relaxed evening watching the hit romantic drama Saiyara, directed by Mohit Suri. Fans noticed them blending in effortlessly with the crowd, both wearing matching brown tees and jeans. Saiyara stars newcomers Ahan Pandey and Aneet Padda, and the film has been a blockbuster hit, praised for its fresh story and emotional depth. Shraddha took to Instagram to share her love for the movie. She wrote, "Saiyara se aashiki ho gayi hai mujhe," tagging Ahan, Aneet, and director Mohit Suri. Calling the film pure magic, Shraddha added, "Pure cinema, pure drama, pure magic. Oof, बहुत time बाद इतना emotion feel किया है." Her favorite moment? The scene where Ahan's character sees Aneet on the Jumbotron and falls to his knees. Shraddha says, "इस moment के लिए 5 बार देखूंगी." Rumors about Shraddha and Rahul's relationship began in 2024 after they were frequently seen together in public. While Shraddha hasn't publicly confirmed the romance, she recently said, "I really love spending time with my partner, doing things like watching a movie, going for dinner, or traveling. I like spending time together or even not doing things together." Looks like Saiyara is winning hearts both on and off the screen. Aneet Padda, who's currently basking in the love and rave reviews pouring in for her blockbuster debut Saiyara, just had a very Indian rite of passage, her first ever cup of chai. Aneet was a self-confessed chai virgin until a few days ago, when she was handed a warm cup of masala chai. What happened next was both hilarious and heartwarming. "I have never had chai. This is my first time having chai. I lost my chai virginity. I must say, I had a great time," Aneet says in the clip, holding the cup like it's a suspicious potion. Saiyara, which released recently, has turned out to be a super hit, earning praise for its fresh story and crackling chemistry between the leads. Ahan Pandey and Aneet Padda's first film Saiyara is going strong and shows no signs of slowing down. Directed by Mohit Suri, this romantic drama has done really well in theatres, earning over 150 crore rupees worldwide in just 4 days. After a strong opening weekend, the film held remarkably steady on its first Monday, earning 24 crore rupees. That pushed the India net total to 108 crore rupees, with a gross of 128 crore rupees. The international box office is picking up too. Saiyara has collected over 23 crore rupees overseas by Monday, bringing its worldwide total to 151 crore rupees. The film has now outperformed the lifetime earnings of Kesari Chapter 2, 144 crore rupees, and Sky Force, 146 crore rupees, both starring Akshay Kumar. That's a huge feat for a film led by newcomers. But what's really got everyone talking is that Saiyara has now beaten the worldwide box office total of Aashiki 2. Released in 2013, Aashiqui 2 was a massive hit. It made people cry, fall in love, and hum its songs non-stop. With Aditya Roy Kapoor and Shraddha Kapoor in the lead, the tragic love story and unforgettable music, Hello, Tum Hi Ho and Sun Raha Hai, made it a fan favorite. The film was made on a small budget of just 15 crore rupees but ended up earning over 110 crore rupees globally. It turned the lead actors into stars and firmly established Mohit Suri as the king of emotional love stories. Now, years later, his new film Sayara has gone even bigger. Legendary singer Ozzy Osbourne, the iconic frontman of English rock band Black Sabbath and known as the godfather of heavy metal, has passed away at the age of 76. His family released an emotional official statement, saying, "It is with more sadness than mere words can convey that we have to report that our beloved Ozzy Osbourne has passed away this morning. He was with his family and surrounded by love. We ask everyone to respect our family privacy at this time." As the news broke, fans and celebrities across the world paid tribute to the music legend. Social media was flooded with messages mourning his loss. Actor Ranveer Singh shared a heartfelt post on Instagram with Ozzy's picture, along with a broken heart, folded hands, and a guitar emoji. Stand-up comedian and actor Veer Das posted an emotional tribute, saying, "Shed many tears. Go on home, Prince. Thank you for the soundtrack to many great moments in my life. Ozzy." Actor Prateek Smita Patil commented, "Prince of Darkness forever." Singer Adnan Sami also paid his respects, writing on X, "Ozzy Osbourne, RIP." Just 2 weeks ago, Ozzy performed at what was billed as Black Sabbath's final concert Back to the Beginning, held in Birmingham, England, their hometown. The event became a historic tribute to the band, with performances from Metallica, Guns N' Roses, Slayer, Tool, Pantera, Alice in Chains, and more. Ozzy may be gone, but his voice, music, and legacy will echo forever. Rest in peace, Prince of Darkness. When Aashiqui hit theatres in 1990, it changed everything for actress Anu Agrawal and for Bollywood romance forever. Anu remembers the moment director Mahesh Bhatt called her with the news. She said, "It felt like a 1000-watt lightning has struck me. There were hundreds of fans outside my house, guys were writing, 'I love you Anu,' on the walls." Her fame skyrocketed overnight. A group of schoolgirls even chased her through Mumbai airport, and that's when she realized how deeply the film had touched hearts. The film's emotional story and unforgettable music by Nadeem Shravan made it a timeless classic. Songs from Aashiqui still play on repeat, even today. Fast forward to 2013, A remix starring Aditya Roy Kapoor and Shraddha Kapoor was released, inviting comparisons and even sparking plans for a third installment, Aashiqui 3 with Kartik Aaryan. When asked about the new generation carrying the Aashiqui legacy, Anu said, "The thing is, as far as my Aashiqui goes, our tagline was, love makes life live, and which is weirdly the reality. Romance and love, throughout the ages has been, especially for Hindi movies, a pushing factor. She believes each generation shows love in its own way, so a new Aashiqui will naturally feel different from the past." Anu added, "Let's be honest. A lot of remakes try to be like the original, there will be some changes, but on the other hand, the remakes always cannot be the real thing and will always be different. To say whether they have done justice or not, I do not judge. Each person is trying to express in best way to express art. I think it's unfair to judge." Aashiqui remains a beloved chapter in Bollywood's romance history, a film that made stars overnight and continues to touch hearts across generations. Would you like me to help with a catchy title or social media captions for this video?